In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to customize the territory labels that appear on your map. By default, you will typically have the territory ID appear in the center of every territory. And as I zoom in, you will see those territory IDs appear. You can change those labels to show something different, like the territory name if that's been imported. You can also show the sales rep's name, or even add additional labels that include any data that is linked to these territories. So now let's click on Configure Layers so we can learn how to customize the territory labels. You need to open up Configure Layers first and then select the Territories option here on the left. And you'll see right away that the territory label is set to Territory ID and it shows up as a blue color. So let's change that to show Territory Name. And you will only have a territory name if you've imported a territory name and an ID. If you've only imported a territory ID, then the ID will be duplicated across both ID and name. If we come down here to the bottom, you will see this Appears At section. This means that this territory label will start to appear at a zoom level of 3, and it will appear at a 12-point font. As you zoom further and further into your map, it'll reach its maximum size of 36-point font at a zoom level of 12. So let's change this so that our territory name always shows up no matter at what zoom level we are in. So let's click on OK, and now we can zoom out and you can see the territory names appear in the center of every territory. In this AlignMix map, we also have data imported at the zip code level and at the account level, so we can actually set those as additional labels for every territory. To do that, you click on Configure Layers, and now we simply add a new label. And to do that, you click on the green plus button here, and then you can change the label type by double-clicking here. So if you wanted to show the sales rep's name, you could do that by clicking here. You can show the assigned district, the number of accounts, or territory data. In this example, we will select territory data, and we can use either population, which has been imported, or we can use any of these account data sets that have also been imported. So let's select sales, and I will set a caption for sales, like so. And instead of that label showing up in a blue color, I would change it to show up in a red color. Click OK, and then OK again. Now you will see two labels appearing in the center of every map. The first label is the territory name. The second label is the total sales that are assigned to each territory. If you wanted to remove one of those labels, you would follow the same process. You would click on Configure Layers, and then select the label you want to remove, and you would click on the Delete button. You can also change the order of the labels that appear in the center of every territory. And there you go. You've just learned how to customize the territory labels in AlignMix.